Right, this is a video about AirTag batteries, and this AirTag actually I've had over a year, and it's got its original battery in it still, but it's showing up as being low, and I've had a real trouble with AirTags showing low battery. You put a new battery in, and just a few days or weeks later it comes up as low battery again, and this is the way I've got round this problem. I can't guarantee it'll work for you, but this is the way I've changed all my AirTag batteries this way, and this does work. So first of all, we're going to take the original battery out, and I think this is the original. It may not be actually. So anyway, point is that most batteries these days seem to have a Bittrex layer on them, which means that children don't want to eat them. They taste incredibly bitter. And that seems to interfere with the AirTags. So I found you've got to keep the AirTag itself very clean, and you've got to get a battery that doesn't have Bittrex on it and clean it. That's belt and braces. Found these GP batteries come in a child resistant pack. It's also very adult resistant. They're almost impossible to get out. But I don't think they have Bittrex on them. But to be doubly sure, what you can do is you can use some isopropyl alcohol and clean the battery and the AirTag. So we're just going to do that now. And what I've got here is a really clean cloth. I'm also going to spray some IPA on that as well. So I'm going to clean the battery with the cloth, and then I'm going to put the cleaned battery in the cleaned AirTag without really trying to touch it as much as possible. I'm going to clean the back as well and put that all together. There we go, that's on now. And yeah, I found this tends to work completely fine. The problem is there are awful lot of poor quality batteries out there. These I got from Amazon, like everything else. But I tried a load of different brands of CR 2032 batteries, and they all had the same issue where they've just not last at all. Because the original ones will last sort of a year or so, I find, and any replacement ones didn't last long at all. But I found if you do make sure they're perfectly clean before putting them in, and use a proper branded one, which are quite hard to get these days, but these GP ones seem to work fine. I've had no battery issues at all in all the other AirTags I've replaced. So that does seem to be, there is actually an Apple thing about the Bittrex. You should try and get one without it, but if you can't, try cleaning it off with the IPA alcohol. So hopefully that works for you. I can't guarantee it will, but it certainly worked for me. So thanks for watching.